Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The information of this video are from mwallpaper.com on Google search. Our topic today is why CapCut is not updating properly in my phone. If you got this updating problem in CapCut, try to check this. Number 1, please check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and verify that it is working properly. It may be down and stopping you from updating the guide for CapCut video editor apps. And number 2, confirm that you have enough storage space in your phone to download updates. If you don't have enough storage space, it can be blocking the application updates. So those are the 2 reasons why your CapCut is not updating properly. And this is where I got the reference of this video from mwallpaper.com at Google search. Thank you so much to my channel members, Mirasol Idlon TV, Bert Lambojo, and Mutia Atil. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.